You're gonna start. I'm just gonna record tomorrow.
Alright guys, what's up guys? Today I found this guy. What's your channel name?
JJVR.
Shout out to JJVR. So, we are going to be doing a 1v1 inside of a new arena map. So let's go. Alright, so I'm red. What? So, are you ready? So,
yeah. Oh.
Alright. So the 1v1 has started. Let's see who wins. So, you guys didn't know, I'm a demon with revolvers. No! Where is he? Where is he? No. Yes, I killed him.
Oh no!
Come on guys, come on guys.
You're lucky.
No! It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Come on, come on, I have to be quick, I have to be quick. Get quick, quick, quick. Where is he? Where is he? Yo! Oh no, I have to go for melee. No!
Yo, GG's.
No! Come on, come on, I have to revive. Where is he? I'm just gonna go. No! Where is he?
Oh, just scared me. Just scared me. No, I need to reload. Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky. I need to reload. Yo!
Oh, bro! Come on, come on, I have to get... Bro!
I just fell out of the map! No!
Wait, yes, he fell out of the map. Come on.
What's up, my best friend?
No! No! Come on, come on, I have to get back really quick now. I don't know who's winning right now, but... Where is he? No! Yes.
What?
Yeah, we killed each other at the same time.
This game's fun. How did I did?
Guys, I told you I'm a revolver demon. No! It's alright, I've mined words of his. I think all I have to do is just kill him. No!
Oh no! Oh no! I'm too low.
No! 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 Sneak attack!
No! No! I'm fast.
Come on! Come on! I'm gonna do this! I'm gonna do this! What? No, bro. Come on. Some bravo. I have such good aim.
Bro, you have so good aim, bro. You have so good aim, bro.
No.
Just like, look at your aim, bro. You have, how you have to...
Come on, come on.
Best aim, bro. Better than me.
Come on. Where is he?
Where you at? I'm sneaking. Bro, you're so good. Your aim's so good. You're gonna win.
No.
I'm too up.
Come on, come on. You know, guys, I'm just gonna kill him now.
I'm the best.
No.
Holy shit.
No.
Let's go.
I've literally got I've got two more. Come on, come on.
I know.
one hit.
Oh,
Bro, he's one hit. He's one hit. He's one hit.
you need, yes, you only have one left.
Yeah.
Yo,
Let's
GG,
go.
Bro, you have the best aim, bro. How you have the best aim?
Yo, as I say again, shout out
Yeah.
to JJVR for
Start
helping
him,
me
start
make
him.
this vid. Thank you, bro. Well, that's the end of today's video, guys.
Yo, what?
See you.
What's that team?